So, this is your teacher Sir Haris Bhatt, and you are seeing my channel Learn Accounting with Sir Haris. Today we are going to solve the question of non-profit organization, October-November 22-31. So I just want to tell you that Fareed, when I have seen this question, so I found it very, very difficult. And then I decided to look at the mark scheme. And Mustafa, I have gone through the mark scheme. Then I started realizing that now I am enough capable to solve this question in front of the students. Oh, sir, what you are saying? It means you are finding it difficult to solve? Yes, because this is A levels. So whatever I have been telling you from the very early stages and on my YouTube channel all the time, that we are deceiving each other. Students are deceiving their parents and their teachers, and teachers are deceiving students. They are not, making you capable enough to attempt or to get a better grade in your A level accounting subject. I'm talking about accounting because the level which you need, we are not unfortunately teaching you to that level, and that needs complete practice of past papers. So let's talk about this question. Non-profit organization A2 counting October, November 22-31. The question has come in. Let's see. A different type of question. AZ Tennis Club has a financial year end of 31st December. For some years, it has charged an annual subscription of $50. So one thing is very clear, that the annual subscription is $50 per month. So whatever the number of members are there, the subscription per member is going to be 50. New members joining before 31st May paid the full year subscription, but members joining on or after 31st or after 1st June paid only $30. It means that those members who are basically making us payment, before 31st May, they are supposed to pay us according to $50 per member. And those who are basically admitting in our tennis club after 1st June or on 1st June, they will pay only $30. The club also offered life membership for $750, which was released to income over 10 years. The life membership fund is also given in the question, that is $750 per member. $750 per member. And that is supposed to be transferred to the income over 10 years. It usually happens the same way, that the transfer is supposed to be done over 10 years. On 1st January 2021, further information is also available. The club has 210 members on annual subscription. So there were 210 members who are supposed to pay an annual subscription of 50. But of these, 8 had already paid their 2021 subscription. It means out of 210, 8 of the members have already paid their 2021 subscription in 2020, in the previous year. So that is the subscription in advance which has been paid in the previous year, but it relates to the current year. सब्सक्रिप्शन है इस साल की 2021 की, लेकिन उन मेंबर्स ने पे कब कर दी, लास्ट ईयर पे कर दी थी, यानी 2020 में. सब्सक्रिप्शन and 7 had not yet paid their 2020 subscription of $50, and out of them 7 had not paid their subscription of $50. 7 members which belongs to 2020, they haven't paid yet, so they will pay this year. Of these in arrears on 1st January 2021, now he is telling that those members subscription which is in arrears, how much is this? 7 into 50. Let me write it down so that maybe I'll make you a little clear about this. Let's see how we are going to calculate. I am going to multiply each member with the amount of subscription to get the amounts, and then I will write it down in the answer wherever it was required, wherever it is going to be required. So 50 was the annual subscription, and there were $750 is the life membership per member. 210 members were there. Out of them, 8 have already paid their subscription. So subscription already paid in advance, 8 into 50, that is going to be 400. You may say that it is, in advance brought down, right? This is in advance brought down because 8 members had paid their subscription of $50, which belongs to 2021, but they have paid the amount in 2020. So 8 had already paid their subscription of 2021 subscription, and 7 had not paid their 2020 subscription for $50. So 7 had not paid. 7 into 50, how much it is? 350. That is going to be accrued brought down, right? That is going to be accrued brought down. 7 into 50, 350 is the total amount, because 7 members from 2020 had not paid their subscription of $50, which was supposed to be paid in 2020. Next, of these in arrears on 1st January, 6 members paid their 2020 subscription. So he has told us, examiner has told us that 6 members out of 7, they have paid the subscription in 2021. That's fine. But the 7th resigned his membership and his debt was written off. The 7th member has resigned, so he hasn't paid, and the amount which he owed, that is 50 actually, 1 into 50 is 50, that has become bad debts. Obviously, when he resigned and his debt was written off, it means that his debt has been written off as bad debts. And 6 have paid. So let's move forward. On 1st January, second point, the club also had 3 life membership members, all of whom had taken out of membership during 2020. So there were 3 members who have taken the life membership, and the life membership per member is 750. So 3 into 750, what is the amount? 2250. So 2250 is supposed to be converted into income over how many years? Over 10 years. So it is given in the question that life membership is supposed to be released to income over 10 years. Yes. So any problem you can ask me. I'm not asking you to say something about the question, what is required. No. I'm just making you understand that what is given in the question. It is not yet properly understood, I know. Because obviously I told you this is one of the difficult questions I have ever seen regarding non-profit organization. And I was stunned to find this question in the paper कि यार ये A level का पेपर है या चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी का पेपर है, इतना मुश्किल सवाल दे दिए। दोबारा देखते हैं। $50 सब्सक्रिप्शन हमारी है नॉर्मल, लाइफ मेंबरशिप 750 है। तो पहले लाइफ मेंबरशिप की बात करते हैं। पॉइंट नंबर 2 पे आते हैं। कहता है कि देयर वर 3 मेंबर्स फ्रॉम 2020 on 1st January. 3 members were already there and they have taken the life membership during 2020. 3 into 750, because 750 per member is the life membership. 2250 is the amount, total amount of life membership. Regarding these 3 life members, on 1st January, 210 members, there were 210 members, which is supposed to be paid $50 per member is the subscription amount. Of these, 8 had already paid their 2021 subscription. So out of them, 8 of the people have already paid their 2021 subscription. Yani out of 210, 8 have paid their subscription of $50 in 2020, right? Which is 400. That is in advance brought down, because that 400 relates to 2021, but paid in 2020, received in 2020. So that is in advance brought down. Then of these 7 had not yet paid their 2020 subscription of 50. So 7 into 50, 350. They are yet to be paid. That is accrued brought down. And out of them, 6 have paid in 2021. 6 into 50, 300 has been paid and 50 has become bad debts because he resigned and his membership has become supposed to be written off. Next. Next is this: 8 new members joined the club in the period 1st January to 31st May 2021. 11 new members joined in the period 1st June to 31st December 2000. It means that before 31st May, how many members were there? 8. And after 31st May, from 1st June, how many members have joined? 11. So you can say, you can write it down like this. If I want to write it down over here, subscription received in 2021. What is the subscription received in 2021? That is required in the question. I will show you amount of subscription received in 2021. That is required in the question. Let's see. First, calculate the total receipts from members recorded in the receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st December. So that is the total amount received from the members. Members क्या देते हैं आपको? Subscription. That is the total amount of subscription. The cash figure you are going to receive, 8 marks are there for the year 2021. So I have written it down. So from 2020, how many members have paid this year? 6 into 50. 7 thi na? There were 7 members who have not paid in 2020. 6 of them have paid. 6 of them have paid. So it will become how much? 300. Okay, then members, sorry, let me write over here. Members joined in 2021. How much they have paid? 8 members have paid 50 per month or $50, and 11 after 31st May, they are supposed to pay $30. So how much it will become? 8 into 50, 400. 11 into 30, 330. And total is going to be 730 is going to be the amount of subscription. Right? 3 into 50 and 8 into 50 and 11 into 30. This is the amount received actually, the cash figure. Now, let's see that how many members we have at the start, and how at the start there were how many members? There were 210 members. 210 members were there. I'm not amount that is not the amount of subscription, that is the members were there in 2021. Let's move towards the question again. Yes. So during the year, 5 existing members decide to become life members. These did not have to pay the annual subscription for 2021. Very important part. 5 members have converted from normal subscription to life subscription. Now they will not pay annual subscription of $50. They will pay life membership subscription. So let's write it down over here at the end. That life membership, life subscription have been paid by 5 members at the rate of how much? 750 is the amount of life membership per member. What is going to be the amount? Total amount we receive will be 750 into 5. 750 is given. Let me check it out. Here it is given that the life membership, which is $7.50, which was released to income over 10 years. Right? So what is the amount? 3750. Okay. Now I have to subtract less member took life subscription. That will be subtracted because they will not pay annual subscription. So out of 210, 5 members have been subtracted because they have taken the life subscription. Again, less one less member resigned. He will not pay because he has resigned. So he will not pay the annual subscription this year. Even the amount of the previous year has been written off as bad debts. He hasn't paid the previous year amount. That's why we have written it as bad debts. And this year, though, he will not pay because he has resigned from the membership. Right? Then those members who have paid previously, 8 members have paid 2021 subscription in 2020. So they have already paid. They will not come over here. Paid previously in 2020. They have paid the subscription of, they have already paid the subscription of 2021 in 2020. So they will not pay this year because they have already paid. And how many of them are they? 8 of them have already paid their subscription. Next is the, let's see. During the year, 8 new members have, during the year, 5 members have their existing life membership. I've already these did not have to pay the annual subscription. They will not pay annual subscription. Decided to become life membership. So they are basically giving the amount because they have opted to become life member. So they are not paying annual subscription. 5 into 750. They have given the amount, but not at the rate of 50. They have given at the rate of 750. It was decided that the annual subscription for 2022 would be increased to 55. In 2022, the annual subscription will not be 50, it will be 55. And on 31st December, there were 14 members who had already paid their 2022 subscription in 2021. That has been received in 2021. So let's see. I'll write over here. From 2022 members, how many members have paid? 14 members have paid their annual subscription at the rate of 55 in 2021. 14 members, which basically belongs to 2022. They have paid their subscription in 2021. How much it comes? 7. So 750 is the amount. Now, the last part, which is even more, you may say that, more difficult. This is 14 into 55, 770, I think so. Yeah. Okay. And the last part is that subscription for who had not yet paid their 2021 subscription of $50. So 4 members have not paid, this is accrued carried down, have not paid their 2021 subscription of $50. So that will also come over here because they have not paid in 2021. They belongs to 2021, but they didn't pay actually 50 or 4 members. I'm just talking about the members only. I'm subtracting the members because they have not paid. So the remaining members, it means that the remaining members, existing members, have paid their subscription amount of $50 in 2021. What is the remaining members? 210 minus 8 minus 5 minus 1 minus 8, 190, 192 multiplied by 50. That is the amount we have received from the existing members. Sorry, 9600. So now we are going to go for the total of this part, and we will get the total amount received for subscription through members in 2021. So I repeat again, this is one of the difficult part, and the total amount will become that will be 15150. 15150 is the total amount we have received, including the life subscription, right? The total receipts actually, but it includes both life subscription and annual subscription, because life subscription is supposed to be converted into income over the life of the club. 15150 is the total receipts we have received. You can do like that. If you want to, that members at the start have paid 210 into 50, then you have to subtract 5 into 50, because these members have took life insurance. 1 into 50 they have not paid. These has become bad debts. 8 into 50 they have paid previously in the previous year. And 4 which relates to 2021 they have not paid yet. So 4 into 50 ऐसे भी आप माइनस कर सकते हैं अमाउंट में भी, लेकिन मैंने 210 मेंबर्स में से मेंबर्स माइनस करके 192 into 50 किया, तो वो 9600 मेरे पास आ गया. याद रखिएगा ये टोटल रिसीट्स हैं which includes amount received from 2020 subscription 6 into 50, amount received in 2021 who have joined 8 into 50 and 11 into 30 before 31st May and after 1st June, and existing members who have paid $50. Then live subscription, 5 members have joined at the rate of $750 each. And from 2022, we have received the annual subscription of 14 members at the rate of 55, because in 2022, the rate of annual subscription has increased to 55. So this is how we have done this part of 8 marks. The next part is prepare the subscription account for the ended 31st December 2021. Let me prepare it. That is not that difficult. Subscription account is quite easy. So you can easily prepare the subscription account and you can find the amount of subscription. So let me do that. How we are going to prepare. अभी इसके बाद मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ, if there is any problem you can ask me, but after this part, then we can move in the previous part also, no problem. Here we used to write what is we used to write? We used to write owing brought down. Owing brought down, we know that those people, those members who have paid from 2020, they owed us how much? 7 into 50. So there were 350 people who were in owing brought down from the previous year. They haven't paid yet. Then in advance brought down, we have how much? That is in advance brought down is written over here 8 into 50, that is 400, because 8 members have paid their subscription of 2021 in 2020, that is 400. Then here I will write owing carried down, accrued carried down. This year's subscription, the members which have not paid, they are 4 members which have not paid their subscription of 2021. 4 into 50, that will become 200, right? Then one of the member has become bad debts, so they are irrecoverable, that is 50. 1 into 50, out of this 350 will become bad debts, so they will come on the credit side. Then the bank amount received, here I will write in advance carried down, and that is also written in advance carried down is going to be 14 people from 2022 have paid their subscription of 2022 in 2021. 14 into 55, that is 77. Here I am write income and expenditure account. Here I am write income and expenditure account. Right? And then bank figure will be there. Here the students have done wrong things. What they have done wrong, फातिमा? उन्होंने ये किया गलत मुस्तफा कि बच्चों ने, जी मैं बताता हूँ, बच्चों ने क्या किया कि बच्चों ने 15150 amount received, the total receipts have been written on the credit side. That is wrong, because of the reason that life subscription will not be a part of it. So 15150 minus 35750 is the amount you have received from annual subscription. So please do it. 15150 minus 3750, because that is life subscription. That is not the 11400. So that is the amount we have received through bank, 11400, and the difference is going to be the amount of income and expenditure account. 750 is the life subscription. We have 2 people of life subscription, 8 people, 3 of them were existing members of life subscription. where it is written here. 3 life subscription, 3 into 750, 2250. Here I have already written also, but we are not going to consider it because that amount is not received in this year. But 8 members new members have joined the club. 5 existing members decided to become life member. So 5 into 750, that is the life subscription we have received. That is a part of total receipt, but that is not annual subscription, right? That is life subscription. And that is why the 5 members have been deleted from normal annual subscription, or existing members. Out of existing members, 5 have been converted to 5 members have been converted to life subscription. That's why we subtract it from here and we add it into the life subscription. G, how much? 10930 is going to be the amount of the life subscription which we have already done. So you can also find this income and expenditure account figure through other means also. That is, but that will be difficult for you. That is, income and expenditure means the amount which basically belongs to the current year. That is 210 minus 5 minus 1. And then 8 members have joined and 11 members have joined. 11 into this 730 you will add. This 8 into 50 and 11 into 30 you will add. Still you will get the income and expenditure account figure. But if you are getting it as balancing figure, it doesn't matter. You will get the same marks. Yes. Now you can ask any question. Yes, please. One of the very difficult questions. Yes.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है सर जो 2022 के मेंबर्स हैं वो 55 से क्यों मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं? हमने तो पहले पे कर दिया 2021 से पहले, तो हमें तो 50 या 30 वाला रेट नहीं होना चाहिए इंस्टेड ऑफ 55?
It was decided that the annual subscription for 2022 would be increased to 55. So it means those members who belongs to 2022, even if they are going to pay early, they will pay according to the rate which basically lies in 2022. So that will be multiplied for 55.
जी सर.
अकाउंटिंग तो एक्रूअल बेसिस पे चलती है ना, जिस साल का हो उस साल रिकॉर्ड करना, यानी रिसीव हो है ना 55 के हिसाब से में आपकी इनकम तो 14 into 55 की बनती है ना 2022 की, रिसीव अगली हो रही. आगे देखते हैं. Calculate the life membership fees for included in the income and expenditure account for their ended 31st December 2021. Now they are asking that how much we are going to receive in life membership. So 3 into 750 are the old members, already calculated, 2250 plus 7 into 5 into 750 new members, 3750. Total is how much? 6,000 divided by 10 because that is converted into income. So 600 is the life subscription
6,000
which will come in the income and expenditure account. 600 is the income which you are going to write in the income and expenditure account, because the total subscription, total life subscription is going to be 6,000 divided by 10. 600 will be written in the income and expenditure account. Next, the value of the life membership fund for inclusion in the statement of financial position at 31st December 2021. So what amount we are going to write in the statement of financial position? You know that we subtract and then we will write. So I will give you the full explanation of that. 3 members have joined. See, 5 members have joined right now in this year. And where are the 3 members? On 1st January, yes. 1st January 2021, the club also had 3 life members, all of whom have taken out life membership during 2020. It means we have to convert this 2250 divide by 10, that will become how much? 225. So the life subscription which will come in the balance sheet 2250 minus 225 for 2020 and again minus 225 for 2021. Remaining amount will come in the life subscription in the balance sheet. How much it will come? That is going to be, I believe, 1750. Same is the case with the other subscription that is received 3750. That is received in 2021. So divided by 10, only 1 year will be transferred to the income account, that is 375. So what I will write, 3750 minus 375, you will get the amount which will be written in the balance sheet, 3375. Total करने, the total amount is going to be.
Sir, why we have subtracted 225 twice?
एक मिनट जी. 5125 is going to be the amount which is written in the balance sheet in the statement of financial position along with accumulated fund. 5175. Along with accumulated fund in the balance sheet, we will write over here. Okay, Preet, continue.
Sir, I was saying that why we have subtracted 225 twice from 2250 divided by 10.
Twice, because I have subtracted twice because of the reason that 3 members have joined the as life member. 3 members have joined in 2020. So their subscription will be converted into income in once in 2020 and again once in 2021. And at the end of 2021, the remaining life subscription of those 3 members will be 1700.
But sir,
1800, sorry, 1800.
haven't we?
Okay. Right? So this is how we will solve this question, and I can understand that it is going to be the most difficult question we have done, and no doubt that you can take the pick also. Next part, if I will move towards the next part, that is just 2 sources of income other than subscription which might be received by a club: donation, grants, event income. That can be a possibility. At present, club members have to be age 16 or over. It has been suggested that a junior section of the club should be opened for younger members with an annual subscription of 15. We are getting 50. Advise the managing committee whether or not they should open a junior section of the club. Justify your answer. So first of all, less than 16 age people can join the club now. So they are paying $15. So the income of the club will increase. It will increase the trading profit, the overall profit of the club, obviously. But maybe the younger children needs to be, we have to look after them because they are younger children. We have to keep an eye on them. Maybe it will become costly for us. We have to hire some people to evaluate them. But these younger members will become normal members after the age of 16. So overall, there is a chance that they are paying $15 now, but in the future, they are going to pay us $50 per year, annually. So that will be also will increase the income suddenly after the age of 16. So this is how we have done this question. Thank you very much. Any question you can ask? October, November 2231 we have done. Don't worry, you will not find such a question in the paper. Don't worry. But because it has come in the paper, so I want you to do it.
Sir, could
And
you
I have
please
done that
also
for
send
you
the
because
recordings for
yes,
this
yes,
specific questions?
yes, I will give you. Sorry, you want the recording actually? Okay. So even if you are able to get through 50% of this question, I'm happy. At least attempt it and do it. That is fine. We will be able to get good marks, right? Thank you so much. Inshallah Taala. See you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.